Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's Salesforce tutorial, we are going to learn about Salesforce Edition. Many beginners get confused when they hear names like Essential Editions, Professional Editions, Enterprise Edition, Unlimited Edition, Developer Edition. So in this video, I will explain what is Salesforce Editions are, why there are different editions are exist, feature available in each edition, which edition is best for beginners and companies and some real-time example we will discuss. So let's start. So I will go with one PPT presentation, then it will more easier to understand. So first we will start with Salesforce Edition explained. What we actually cover. So what is then Salesforce Edition? How the four tier, feature and comparison, pricing and value. So then finally how to choose which one you need to choose like that. So first we will go with what is Salesforce Edition. So Salesforce provides different version of Salesforce called editions. For example, in Android phone we have a version like Android 11, Android 12, Android 13, Android 14. So this is we call it as versions of Android. Same like in Salesforce, we have a different types of editions. So each edition comes with different features, different limits, different storage, different automation capabilities, and also different pricing. Simple meaning, higher edition provides more advanced feature, lower edition can have limited features. Basically, in Salesforce, total four types of editions are available. One is starter, or we can also call it as essential edition. The second one is professional edition. The third one is enterprise edition. The fourth one is unlimited edition. And we have one more edition like developer edition that is a free of cost. So every developer can use that edition. Mainly focused on business, we have a four types of editions. So first we will start with starter or essential edition. So then what is the essential edition? So Salesforce essential edition is designed for small businesses, startups or beginners. So it provides basic CRM functionality. So you can see only in here we can see account, contact, leads, email integration, templates, simple report and dashboards, quick and out of the box setups. This is including starter or essential edition. Then what are the features of essential? Lead management, contact management, opportunity tracking, basic reports, email integration, mobile app support. So then the limitation is limited customization, limited automation, fewer integration, limited users. So then Salesforce Professional Edition. So this is best for growing business, medium-sized companies. It provides more features than essential. So core features of Professional Editions are better reports, dashboards, forecasting, more customization can able to do in Professional Edition, sales productivity features. And the limitations is limited API access, advanced automation restriction. So then we need to go with enterprise edition. So what is an enterprise edition? In Salesforce, most of the companies and most popular edition is enterprise edition. Why? Enterprise edition is one of the most widely used edition in real-time companies. Most of the Salesforce admins and developers works mainly in enterprise edition only. So features of enterprise editions are advanced customization, full automation tools, APIs, Apex programming, Lightning components, advanced security, and also it will support workflow and flow automation, approval process and integration also it supports. So then what are the benefits of enterprise edition? This edition gives companies maximum flexibility. Admins and developer can build complex solutions. So then we need to go with unlimited edition. So what is unlimited edition? Unlimited edition is designed for large enterprises or big corporations, complex organizations. This edition provides almost everything Salesforce offers. So whatever the features is there in Salesforce, all the things you can able to use in unlimited edition. Then what are the core features of unlimited edition? So all enterprise features more storage, more support, premier support, sandbox environment, advanced customization also able to do in unlimited edition. So then we need to move to feature comparisons. So features are comparison with all the four types of edition. Core CRM. Core CRM will support for all the editions in Salesforce. Report and dashboards are limited in Essential Edition, but in Pro Enterprise Unlimited, it will able to possible. Forecasting is possible in only Professional Enterprise Unlimited. Advanced and automation is in Pro Edition, it is a limited, but in Enterprise and Unlimited, we can use. API integration is only supports in Enterprise Unlimited editions. Apex code and custom code are only rateable in enterprise or unlimited editions. Sandbox is provided in enterprise edition, but it's limited. But in unlimited, we can use. Premier support is only available in unlimited. So then we need to move to which is the best for us. If your business is small, you can go with essential. So is in here the coding is also limited. Basic all features are supports. So if your company is growing companies, you can select pro. And also we can get medium advanced features also. So then your company is medium or large companies, you can go with enterprise. So in this automation APIs are available and also it can able to handle the complex process and also we can able to do the custom code. So then the last one is unlimited. So it is only suitable for large companies only. So because its maximum advanced features are available, coding and everything are full support. So four tips before you need to buy the any Salesforce editions. So the thing is, suppose a startup company begins with essential edition. As a company grows, like more employees join, automation required, integration needed. So then the company upgrades their Salesforce edition to professional or enterprises edition. This is a very common in real-time business and environment. So then some things we need to remember like editions are bundles, same platform, sold in tiers at different price points. Start a small scale up. Begin with what you need. Upgrade as you grow. Enterprise is the sweet spot. Means Enterprise edition is the most commonly used Salesforce edition. Much need to budget. Don't overpay. Pick the lowest tier that fits for your business growth. This is for today tutorial. I hope now you clearly understand Salesforce edition and their difference. So if you found this video is helpful, please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.